very sweet to pronounce the name. Ogiso Efeseke. Yama. Gagana Bon. Ona Kagarioba Ogedo. 12. Ogiso Irudia. Gagana Bon. Ona Kagarioba Ogedo. 13. Ogiso Oria. Gagana Bon. Ona Kagarioba Ogedo. 14. Ogiso Imara. Gagana Bon. Ona Kagarioba Ogedo. 15. Ogiso Etebowe. Gagana Bon. Ona Kagarioba Ogedo. 16. Ogiso Odion. Gagana Bon. Ona Kagarioba Ogedo. 17. Ogiso Emose. Go. Gagana Bon. Ona Kagarioba Ogedo. 18. Ogiso Oro. Gagana Bon. Ona Kagarioba Ogedo. 19. Ogiso Erebo. Gagana Bon. Ona Kagarioba Ogedo. 20. Ogiso Ogbomo. Gagana Bon. Ona Kagarioba Ogedo. Just watch it and see how the rain. 8. Ogiso Ume. We said that before. Look at 9. Ogiso Ekpigo. Their names are beautiful and meaningful. Look at the time it rained in the kingdom of Edo. Igodo. 10. Ogiso Akwa. Yama. Look at the time it rained in the kingdom of Benin. Ogiso Efeseke. Oh, that's so beautiful. Efeseke, abounding wealth. Abounding wealth. Innumerable wealth. See when it rained in the kingdom of Benin. Ogiso Irudia. See when it rained in the kingdom of Benin. Christian era. Ogiso Oria. See when it came and reigned in Benin, the Christian era. 14. Ogiso Imara. See when it reigned in the Christian era. 15. Ogiso Etebowe. See when it reigned in the kingdom of Edo, in the Christian era. 16. Ogiso Odion. See when it reigned in the kingdom of Edo, in the Christian, during the Christian era. 17. Ogiso Emose. See when it reigned in the kingdom of Edo during the Christian era. Look at Ogiso. See when it reigned in the Christian era over the kingdom of Edo. 19. Ogiso Erebo. See when it reigned in the Edo kingdom of Edo kingdom during the Christian era. And 20. Ogiso Ogbomo. See when it reigned during the Edo Christian era in Edo kingdom. Edo kingdom. See, so one after the other. Wagayo, not by a donkey. Ogiso Agbonzeke. Gagana Yoba Yado. Wagayo Jesu Christi. Look boge Oyevaya Yongi. Ogiso Ediai. Ediai. Let me on the again. Gagana Yabon. Naka Yoba Oredo. The Hagangi. Ogiso Oriagba. Ogiso Oriagba. Gagana Yabon. Naka Yoba Oredo. Eneyangi. Ogiso Odolegi. Odolegi. Gagana Yabon. Naka Yoba Oredo. Iseyangi. Ogiso Uwa. Wanta. Gagana Yoba Oredo. Ogiso Eheneden. Wanta. Osedio. Gagana Yoba Oredo. Yangi Ogiso Owede. Gagana Yoba Oredo. Yangi Ogiso Oduwa. Oko. Gagana Yoba Oredo. 29. Agbára Ogiso Obioye. Ukano. Etobi ata. ọwọ́ igo bí oyé gẹ́gẹ́ ya kanya àríọ́bá ọ̀rẹ́dò ọgbọ̀n ogiso àrígò ọ̀rẹ́ ìjẹ̀lẹ̀gbẹ́ àrígò àwọn ta gẹ́gẹ́ ya kanya àríọ́bá ọ̀rẹ́dò dẹ́ ọ̀pá yàn gbọ̀n ọ̀yẹ́ o ọ̀pá yàn gbọ̀n ọ̀nà ogiso owódò gẹ́gẹ́ ya kanya àríọ́bá ọ̀rẹ́dò iwe òdodo ọ̀mà yọ̀wẹ̀ ògìso owódò ọ̀nà ìhà òkèkè bínú kẹ́dọ̀ káì ọ̀rẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ ògìso owódò èyí èso náà dùn sùnmù ẹ̀dáwé àtẹniwọ̀n ẹ̀sùn ni má tó tó ta pẹ̀pẹ̀pẹ̀ ni má tó ká ọ̀rẹ́ ìrìn ìsùnú gbẹgbẹ ògìso owódò egbe mi náà kàn yẹ ere èkáládé hàn káládé rí níbi ògìso nana mi ẹwẹ ẹdó kéyì sọ ẹfù àgárí ìwé ìkòwé náà yàtọ̀ tá yí ìwé ọ̀nà ìdòmí ẹ̀wọ̀ ọ̀bẹ èso náà ká kànyà nana mi ẹwẹ òkèké rí rẹ táyì yàgò àlọ́rì èrè wíwọ́n tó kànyà ẹdó pàdéọba ọ̀rẹ́ra. You see it, 21. Ogiso Agbonzeke, see when he reigned in the kingdom of Edo, Benin Kingdom, during the Christian era. 22. Ogiso Ediai, all the names are beautiful. See when he reigned during the Christian era. 23. Ogiso Oriagba, see when he reigned in the kingdom of Benin. 24. Ogiso Odolege, a great name. Another day we will talk about him. See when he reigned in the Edo Kingdom. 25. Ogiso Uwa. Uwa means wealth. See when he reigned in the kingdom of Benin during the Christian era. 26. Ogiso Eheneden. That is well and complete. Well and complete. See when he reigned in the Christian era of Benin City. Ogiso Owede. See when he reigned in the kingdom of Benin during the Christian era. Ogiso Oduwa. See when he reigned in the Christian era over the kingdom of Benin. See when he reigned. See, Ogiso Obioye. We have big story behind that. Ogiso Obioye. See when he reigned during the Christian era in the kingdom of Benin. 30. Ogiso Arigo, the money spender. See when he reigned during the Christian era in the kingdom of Edo, of Benin. The last one, at that era, at that time, at that duration in the history of Edo, the last one was Ogiso Owodo. See when he reigned in the kingdom of Benin, 1100 Christian era. AD, 1100 Christian era. So the kingdom of Benin had been established and had been stabilized and had reigned among the kingdoms of the world during all these centuries. So it is not right for anybody to think that this kingdom just sprang up during the European invasion or European advancement to Africa. No. Before the Europeans ever came to Africa, the kingdom of Benin and some other African kingdoms were established. And when they came, they met our kings who established relationship, trade relationship with them. Mami ẹni ọ̀pẹ́ ẹni àríọ́bẹ́ dòde ẹ̀hẹ́n ọ̀dẹ́zìyàn. Ọ̀pẹ́ ẹni ọ̀dẹ́zìyàn ebo kere. Ebo ire ẹna mìíràn bá ní agú dwẹ́kì. Ẹna mìíràn bá ní agú mùbọ́. Ìmọ̀sọ̀ owó wẹ ebo re ní Makedo rẹ̀ ní Makedo ìmọ̀ ẹ̀rù ìmọ̀ oge nìkan. Mà ẹ̀rù ìmọ̀ pẹ̀pẹ̀pẹ̀. Ebo gire do wa ma ba ma. Akomo saro bo ayi agbono ri ri manedo. Wa ja mu kun wa wa fua o. Wa ja mu ka re do fua o. Wa ja mu no saro ba mu ni ma fua o. Ni mara mo nyeme. Mara me sokken. Mara me hene. Na mi ya fu ma o. No kera le makonre. Kun da saro ba mu agbon no mani manedo. Uyo saro ba nu dazi. Oba ato okpe. He said, we thank God for the kingdom of Edo kingdom. So it's a kingdom. God established a kingdom for Israelites and he gave them kings. He established a kingdom for Edo people and he gave us kings. So we thank God for our history. We are contented. When other people came from other continents, we were already established. We had our order of things, from the king to the princes and princesses, and then to the dukes, which we call Enoge. And then the Odewere, the elders of the land. These were in shape and in their places when other people came from other countries and other continents. We thank God for the kingdom of Edo. So when we say Edo kingdom, it's not a mere word. It is a strong proclamation and solid in history. We thank God for our history. May God bless us all. Amen. Long live the Oba of Benin. Amen. Thank you.